Hi everyone, so today I'm going to try out this set of dies and impression plates from LDRS Creative. It's from their Good Cheer collection. I did a whole unboxing of the items that I received for review, so I'll link that video in the description box if you want to check out some of the other items. I did some tutorials there, and I'll continue working with the items throughout the season here. So they were sent free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own. And any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. So thank you for using those if you'd like. Again, just in the description box down here. So these guys are all sold separately, but I do know that they do have a bundle on this. So like if you would like to have the Happy Holidays press and foil plate, but you also want the dies, they do have a bundle together. Or you can pick them up separately, or just, I would say just this, right? I don't know that you need the dies on their own if you don't have the plate. But the plate also does, it has this beautiful imagery here with like the holly and like your candle and poinsettia kind of things. And then it says Happy Holidays. And so the die cuts this out so nicely. I love that they have this piece, so it's a little more intricate if you want to use that, or just the whole, around the edge. And then the Happy Holidays has a shadow die with it too, so I love that. And then the inspo on the back there if you want to check that out. And I'm going to pair it probably with this guy. So I was thinking about pairing it with this one. Just a beautiful scallop edge. And it has all these different guys. And I think they're matte layers. I don't think this very edge cuts. I can't tell. I don't think it does. So, yeah, we'll just try it out. All right, so let me grab some paper and my better press. I will say you can put these things in a foiling, as well as press and foil plates. You can definitely put this in a glimmer or those kinds of machines, a hot foil machine, but you generally don't want to bring other hot foil plates. If you have other hot foil ones, the ones that are specifically for like the glimmer machine, into your better press. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. But these guys that are made for the press can be put into the hot foil machine. So I will be right back. So to start off, I have an A2 size card, and if you're making your own, that would be 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4, or you can go lengthwise so the card opens this way, and that would be 4 1/4 scored at 5.5, right? And you'd have your A2. I think I'm going to do a black background on this one, just a nice stark black. So I'm going to run that through, and then we'll have that ready to go. And then I think with this one I might try playing with colors a little bit, and then maybe using the next size die and that same mixed scallop to cut it down. But again, you have the die here to cut that down for you if you want to use that. Ooh. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to play with the colors a little bit. And so hopefully my plan is that, it shouldn't move. So however you do this, if you want to switch out some colors, and I'll show you what I mean in a moment. You can do that, or you can just be very careful about adding different colors, right? So I'm thinking like greenery, maybe the candle is like a red or creamy color, I don't know, whatever, gold, whatever it is you want to put on there. And then the flame can be like red, orangey or something. But, or you can just do it all in black. But we'll do that in just a moment. So let me run this guy through to have that ready, and I'll be right back. How pretty, I love that, the little indentation it made on there. And they all have something like that, that embossed look. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and glue that down, and I'll be right back. So we have this. So what I'm going to do is put this on here, and I'm just going to put the whole paper, so wherever it hits, that's fine, because I'm going to cut it down anyway. This is just a cream colored piece of paper. And a lot of times you go with white, but I thought, let's try something different. And just some heavyweight paper. And again, so I have these little quads. Mine are all mixed up. They're from LDRS Creative, so just because you see it in here does not mean that that's how it's going to be. And like this one, I broke the lid. Ooh, but it's still nice and juicy. So something to think about. Oh, let me get this back on here. I'm going to go through and get this on here, and I'm kind of holding it with my finger as much as I can. I'm going to try to get in here, but not on the candle, okay? But as much as I can. Now, we can do this all separately because I can run this through and then clean it up. But I think the design is made in a way that I can get in here and it'll be just fine. Now these are hybrid inks, just letting you know. The candle, I was debating if I should use like this yellow or like this lighter yellow. That one's kind of bright. I'm thinking about using this one, and to be honest, I can get in here just carefully where that green might touch. I'm going to come back in. Got the candle pretty well there. I'm going to bring the green back and fix that. Right there, okay. And then just like a little bit of red. I was, don't mind that the yellow and the red are mixing. And just using the very tip of this. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I'm gonna run that through and let's go. See what we got here. How pretty is that? Very nice. Okay, let me clean up. Again, LDRS Creative has their Extreme Clean for stamps, but it's also for your plates, so if you want to use something like that, you can definitely do that. I just kind of pounce, 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 and then I wipe it off with a paper towel. Okay, I'll be back. And I'm just going to do the words here, so I'm going to remove this, and I think I'll do that in white paper, just with some black ink. Alright, there we go. Just happy holidays again. Just a little white piece of paper, black ink. I will run it through and I'll be back. Again, I just ran it through, excuse me. I just ran it through a scrap of paper. Okay, we're going to do some die cutting and put our card together. Okay, guys, so for this beautiful thing, oh, it's so pretty. I'm going to use this larger one. Obviously some of it's going to get cut off and it's going to be all around, you know, to the edges there. I mean, you can put it something like that if you want. I think that's what I'll do. Just to give it a little bit of like room to breathe at the very top there. And again, maybe I should look at this in a way that's going to be straight. Oh, you can also do something like this. I mean, it doesn't have to be right in the center. Sorry, I'm just thinking about the happy holidays and how much room that will take up. Okay, we have that. And then with the die set over here, I'm just going to run the background, the shadow through the red paper. I think that'd be cute, a little pop of red. And this guy, if I can see right down in there, which it looks like I can, pretty well, that looks really nice. I'll go ahead and tape that down. Here and here, and I'll run that through and I'll be right back. Oh, I moved it a little bit. Put it back, there we go. Okay. Card base. Oh yeah, I love the way that does that little embossing on the very edge there. It's very pretty. Okay, and then we have these guys, so I'll glue these together. Again, super easy to look right down in there and get it cut exactly on the money there. And so I'm just going to glue those together and glue these together, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so pretty. And then I went ahead and glued those together, put some dimensionals on the back of that. And, I mean, they can go anywhere. I can go in the bottom corner. I like that kind of look. You know me, I always end up putting it right in the center. But, you know, wherever you want to put that. Oh, you know what? Let's go a little bit like this. Why not? Just make sure we're kind of straight here. All right, and there you go. Very sweet, classic Christmas card. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much, LDRS Creative, for sending these items for review. I'll have images coming up. I'll have the links in the description box, and I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.